Hello students, let us see this problem from relations. Show that the relation R containing set of ordered pairs A, B, A and B belongs to Z star and A plus B is even, is an equivalence relation where Z star is set of non-zero integers. So in this case, we are asked to show that this relation R is an equivalence relation. Means we have to show that this relation R is a reflexive, symmetric and transitive. And how the relation is defined? You are given set of ordered pairs and both A and B belongs to Z star. Z star is nothing but set of non-zero integers. Now to show that R is reflexive, we need to show that A, A belongs to R. Now A belongs to R only if A plus A is even. And yes, it is true because A plus A is equals to 2A, which is true, and therefore it is even, and therefore the relation is reflexive. So let us write that. You can write the relation R is defined on the set Z star of all integers by A related to B if and only if A plus B is even. This is the meaning of that relation. For all A belongs to Z. Now to show that R is reflexive, A plus A is equals to 2A, which is even for all A belongs to Z, that is A related to A, and therefore R is reflexive. So understood? We showed that A, A belongs to R as A plus A is equals to 2A, which is even, and therefore A is related to A and R is reflexive. Now to show that R is symmetric, we have to consider let A, B belongs to R, and if A, B belongs to R, we have to show that B, A also belongs to R. Then we can say that R is symmetric. So let consider, let A, B belongs to Z star, because our set is defined on the Z star, which is the set of non-zero integers. So let us take let A, B belongs to Z star. Then you write the definition. A related to B implies A plus B is even. This is as per the definition. A related to B implies A plus B is even. If A plus B is even, we can say that B plus A is even. Correct? Whether you add 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 1, it will not make any difference. So we can say that B plus A is even, and if B plus A is even, it means B is related to A. Correct? And therefore R is symmetric. Therefore R is symmetric. Now let us show that R is transitive. To show that R is transitive, if A is related to B and B related to C, then we have to show that A is related to C. For all A, B belongs to C belongs to Z star. So to show that transitivity, let us take three variables. Let A related to B and B related to C, where A, B, C belongs to Z star, and Z star is nothing but the set of non-zero integer. When you say A is related to B, it means that A plus B is even. Okay, therefore we can write that A plus B is equals to 2A. 2m, that means a plus b is even, means it is multiple of 2 for some m belongs to z star. And here you said b related to c, therefore b plus c is even, right? If b plus c is even, therefore we can say that b plus c is equals to 2n for some n belongs to z star. If b plus c is even, then b plus c equals to 2n for some n belongs to z square. Okay. Now, from this equation a plus b equals to 2m, the value of a is what? 2m minus b, and the value of c from b plus c equals to n is 2n minus b. Now, to show that a plus c belongs to R, okay, we have to show that a plus c is multiple of 2. So let us add this a plus c. What we get, let us see. A plus c is 2m minus b plus c value is 2n minus b. This is same as 2m plus 2n minus 2b. This is 2. If you take common, you get m plus n minus b. So here you have shown that a plus c is a multiple of 2. That means a plus c is even. So you write here a plus c is multiple of 2, and therefore a plus c is even, and you can write a related to c, and this is nothing but the definition of transitive, that is a related to b and b related to c implies a related to c. A related to b and b related to c implies a related to c. Therefore, relation R is transitive. So just write the last line. Therefore, you can write here. Therefore, R is transitive. Therefore, R is transitive. So this is how we have shown the relation R is an equivalence relation.